Ford, the #1 selling pickup manufacturer globally, is now delivering all Super Duty trim levels to retail and commercial customers, who will soon experience the truck's unprecedented levels of work capability, ingenious new technology, and a suite of cloud-based services for new levels of productivity. Ford and more than 9,000 UAW workers at Kentucky Truck Plant and 1,800 UAW workers at Ohio Assembly Plant are assembling the all-new 2023 Ford Series Super Duty, the most powerful and connected Super Duty ever, to help fulfill overwhelming customer demand. Production supported by a $700 million investment and 500 new jobs for Louisville-assembled products, including Super Duty, more evidence of Ford's Built for America commitment, increased real-world vehicle testing, additional quality checks, and empowered employees key to delivering quality products and services for Super Duty customers.